We all want to live in a clean home, but most struggle to keep up. This often happens because we don't have a system to support us. Tody is an app that helps you organize and manage your household chores in a smarter way. By breaking down your cleaning into manageable tasks, each with its own do indicator, Tody makes cleaning much more manageable and less overwhelming. In this video, we'll cover the basics of the app and show you how to get started. This video will not cover multiple participants, but if you have family members or roommates, adding them later is simple, and we have a separate video that will guide you. This is the main screen of Tody, where you can add your areas and access the main tools. You'll get these chalk-style tips along the way to help you get started. This little animated dust ball at the top of the screen is Dusty. He's your playful opponent in the app who will make the cleaning a bit more fun and competitive. We'll come back to him later and learn more about his role in the app. But first, I am going to show you how to add an area. Instead of having one giant task list, Tody will let you break down your tasks by location. To add one, tap the plus icon here. Tody has ready-made areas that you can choose from. It has a kitchen, living room, dining room, other common rooms inside a home, and even outdoor spaces. If you don't see what you need on the list, you can create a custom area to fit your home. I'm going to add a kitchen area. You can edit the name of the area, but I will keep it this way. Tap the Create button once you are happy with the name. Great! Our first area is in. Now let's tap the kitchen and add our first task. And then tap plus task. Tody has a built-in task library with pre-made tasks to help you set things up quickly. But if you need something more specific, you can always add your own custom task. Just a quick heads up, it will look a little different on the iOS version of the app, but the process is pretty much the same. I'll go ahead and create a custom task, then choose Standard Task. I'll name this Clean Windows. And for the frequency, I want to do this every 8 weeks. Since this is something I do all year round, I won't be editing the seasons. Everything looks good, so I'll go ahead and tap Create. I see a bit of dirt on my window, but I don't think it needs cleaning yet, so I'll mark it as Not Yet. You'll now see this colored indicator next to your task. This indicator is here to give you a sense of timing. Green means relax, yellow means it's time to clean soon, and red means do it. Treat these indicators as gentle reminders, not strict deadlines. I added some more areas and my must-do tasks. For now, this is a solid start for me. As you start using the app, you'll likely want to adjust things from time to time. To edit an area or a task, tap and hold it down for about a second, and you will see more options. If you have to adjust the task's frequency to better fit your cleaning needs, tap the task and then head to the Edit tab. Here, you can edit the frequency, as well as its name and its active season. Another way to edit tasks is by using the Task Editor. This tool makes it easy to update details across multiple tasks at once. Depending on which features you have enabled, you'll see different tabs at the top, like Frequency, Effort, and Assignments. In the Effort tab, you can rate how demanding a task is. You'll see the effort information right below the task. You can do the same for the other tabs. Select the tab and make the changes. Just a heads up for iOS users. The Task Editor doesn't support frequency edits yet, but you can still update effort and assignments using their own dedicated editors. With all my tasks and areas configured, how do I get an overview of it all? Let's explore 2 ways Tody can show you the big picture. First, let's take a look at the home screen. If you're a visual thinker, the tiled areas will give you a clear representation of how clean or dirty your home is and what needs attention. As an area gets dirtier, its illustration will change to reflect that. And if you have splashes on, each due task will appear as a splotch within the illustration. For example, a quick glance at the main screen here shows that the kitchen and living room need attention, while the rest are clean. This visual snapshot will help you decide what to clean next. A more direct way to see due tasks is by using the powerful to-do list tool. To access it, tap the checklist icon. The to-do list has handy filters to help you organize your tasks without scrolling through everything. You can choose to sort your tasks by area or by date. Sorting by area gives a great overview of which areas you may want to focus on. Sorting by date can help you stay one step ahead. Adjusting the due within filter to 1 day gives me a heads up on tomorrow's task. The to-do list screen also has a bottom status bar to help you get an overview. The first number represents the number of tasks you've completed. The one next to it represents the number of tasks due today. By default, each task counts as 1. But if you turn on effort points, that counter will add up the total effort points instead. You'll also find these same counters when you view tasks by area on the home screen. Now let's go ahead and mark our first task in the app as complete. There are 3 ways to complete a task. Open the task and hit Just Did It. Or swipe right on the task and tap Did It. In this way, you no longer need to open the task. And if you're in the to-do list, a quick shortcut is to tap and hold the task to mark it as complete in one go. Let's take a closer look at a few options here that give us more control over our tasks. The pause option here pauses the progress of this individual task so you can pick it up later. And don't feel bad that you have to use it when things start to feel a little bit overwhelming. I encourage you to do this as needed, as this can ease your mental workload. When you're ready to come back to it with a clearer mind, just hit the play button to resume. If you finished this task earlier but forgot to log it, you can use the fast backward button to mark it retroactively. Select the correct date and confirm. The fast forward button is useful when you want to move a task on your today's to-do list. It instantly marks the task as due now, so you can focus on it right away. All right, we've set up our tasks, learned the basics, and even knocked a few off the list, but someone's not too happy about our progress. Meet Dusty. He's your rival in the app who will challenge you every month to a race. To outrun Dusty, you need to complete tasks to earn points. Dusty will not stand still. As the month goes on, he will keep moving too, so we need to stay on our toes and not let him get ahead of us in the race. Tapping the progress bar gives you more control over Dusty and provides additional details about the monthly race. Here, you can adjust the race difficulty to match your pace, view the monthly goal, mute Dusty's cheeky comments, or even turn him off entirely if you prefer. No pressure. This is all about what works best for you. Dusty currently speaks English and a few other languages. For the latest language options, check the video description below. Dusty will also throw in individual challenges along the way, so keep an eye out for them. These are optional challenges. You can accept or decline them, no pressure either way. While Dusty helps us stay on our toes, it's important to pause and appreciate how much we've already achieved. Let's go to the completed area by tapping the check icon and take a moment to admire our progress. There are 2 tabs in the completed area, the List tab and the Overview tab. Both are designed to help you keep track of your completed tasks. The Overview tab shows a graph of your monthly progress, including how many points you've earned and how you're doing compared to Dusty. For me, this view is great for spotting trends and giving yourself that little extra motivation to push through. Over here in the List tab, you can see exactly which tasks were done. You can group your completed tasks by area or by date. Pick whichever helps you see your progress more clearly. The date view is handy for checking what you've done recently, while the area view shows where you've been focusing your efforts. The number at the top, like this 4 here, shows the total number of tasks you've completed. You can also look back at previous months to see how far you've come and celebrate the wins along the way. If you marked a task as complete by accident and you want to undo the action, tap and hold down the task, and you will see the option to delete the action. And that's a wrap on this tutorial. We've covered a lot of key features in this video. Everything's in place, and we're all set to begin managing our tasks with ease using Tody. The best way to use Tody is the method that works for you and the one that you'll follow. If you want to see more of this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.